How to lose weight safely with the DASH diet plan. The DASH diet, Dietary Approaches to Stop Hypertension, is widely known for its health benefits, particularly for managing and preventing high blood pressure. However, its balanced, nutrient-dense approach to eating also makes it an excellent option for safe and sustainable weight loss. Unlike extreme or fad diets, the DASH diet promotes gradual, long-term results while supporting overall health. What is the DASH diet? The DASH diet focuses on whole, unprocessed foods rich in essential nutrients like potassium, calcium, and magnesium while low in sodium and unhealthy fats. Its core principles include 1. Emphasizing fruits and vegetables, 4 to 5 servings of each per day. 2. Incorporating whole grains, 6 to 8 servings daily. 3. Prioritizing lean proteins, 2 or fewer servings per day. 4. Including low-fat or non-fat dairy, 2 to 3 servings daily. 5. Healthy fats and nuts, limited to 4 to 5 servings per week. 6. Reducing sodium, a maximum of 2,300 mg daily, or 1,500 mg for those with specific health concerns. By creating a calorie deficit while providing all the nutrients your body needs, the DASH diet is an excellent foundation for weight loss. How the DASH diet promotes safe weight loss. 1. Calorie control. The DASH diet naturally helps reduce calorie intake by focusing on nutrient-dense, low-calorie foods. Replacing high-calorie processed foods with fruits, vegetables, and whole grains creates a calorie deficit essential for weight loss without feeling deprived. 2. Improved satiety. The diet emphasizes fiber-rich foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Fiber slows digestion, keeps you feeling full longer, and helps control hunger, reducing the likelihood of overeating. 3. Stable blood sugar levels. Minimizing refined sugars and simple carbohydrates helps maintain stable blood sugar levels. This reduces energy crashes and curbs cravings, making sticking to your diet plan easier. 4. Gradual weight loss. Unlike crash diets, the DASH diet encourages steady weight loss at a healthy rate of 1 to 2 pounds per week. This approach is more sustainable and less likely to result in weight regain. How to lose weight safely with the DASH diet. To maximize the weight loss benefits of the DASH diet while ensuring your safety, follow these guidelines. 1. Set realistic goals. Safe weight loss is about making gradual changes. Aim to lose 1 to 2 pounds per week, which requires a calorie deficit of 500 to 1,000 calories daily. This can be achieved through dietary changes and increased physical activity. 2. Track your calories. Although the DASH diet doesn't require calorie counting, monitoring your intake can help ensure you're creating a calorie deficit. Use apps or food journals to track your daily calorie consumption. 3. Control portions. While the DASH diet allows for a wide variety of foods, portion control is key for weight loss. Pay attention to serving sizes and avoid overeating, even with healthy foods like nuts and whole grains. 4. Plan balanced meals. Each meal should include a balance of protein, lean meats, fish, tofu, or legumes, carbohydrates, whole grains, fruits, and vegetables, healthy fats, olive oil, nuts, or avocado. Balanced meals help keep energy levels steady and prevent overeating. 5. Limit sodium intake. Excess sodium can cause water retention and bloating, which can mask weight loss progress. Stick to the recommended sodium limits for the DASH diet to see more consistent results. 6. Incorporate exercise. Physical activity is essential for safe and effective weight loss. Combine the DASH diet with at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity weekly exercise, such as brisk walking, cycling, or swimming. Strength training 2 to 3 times a week can also help build muscle, which boosts metabolism. 7. Stay hydrated. Proper hydration supports digestion, energy levels, and overall health. Drinking water before meals can also help control hunger and prevent overeating. 8. Avoid sugary drinks and alcohol. Beverages like soda, juice, and alcohol can add empty calories to your diet. To stay on track, opt for water, herbal teas, or other low-calorie drinks. 9. Plan snacks wisely. Healthy snacks can prevent hunger between meals. Choose options like fresh fruit, a handful of unsalted nuts, low-fat yogurt, raw vegetables with hummus. 10. Be patient. Safe weight loss takes time. Focus on building healthy habits rather than rushing results, and celebrate small victories. Sample diet meal plan for weight loss. Here's a sample day of meals on the diet designed for safe and effective weight loss. Breakfast: 1 slice of whole grain toast with 1 tablespoon of almond butter. 1 small apple. Black coffee or unsweetened tea. Morning snack: a handful of raw almonds, about 10 to 12 nuts. Lunch: grilled chicken breast, 4 ounces, with a side of quinoa. Steamed broccoli and carrots. A small mixed greens salad with olive oil and vinegar dressing. Afternoon snack: low-fat Greek yogurt with fresh blueberries. Dinner: baked salmon, 4 ounces, with roasted sweet potatoes. Sautéed spinach with garlic. A small slice of whole grain bread. Dessert, optional, a small piece of dark chocolate, 70% cocoa or higher. Benefits of safe weight loss with the diet. 1. Improved health. Besides weight loss, the diet reduces the risk of heart disease, high blood pressure, and type 2 diabetes. 2. Sustainable habits. The diet focuses on long-term changes, making it easier to maintain weight loss over time. 3. Nutritional balance. The diet provides all essential nutrients, ensuring you stay healthy while losing weight. Final thoughts: the diet is excellent for those seeking safe and sustainable weight loss. Its emphasis on whole, nutrient-dense foods, portion control, and balanced eating habits promotes steady progress without compromising health. When combined with regular physical activity and mindful eating, the diet can help you achieve and maintain your weight loss goals while improving your overall quality of life. Loudspeaker: let's connect. Share your experience in the comments. Thumbs up like this video and share it with someone looking to like it.